In this video, I just want to show you the unboxing and initial thoughts about this pest controlling device gadget we've bought online to try and get rid of rats. So as you can see, it's the Fitfort Pest Repeller. So let's have a look inside what we get. So I've opened the box and this is what it looks like inside the box. Let's pull that out. And that's how it's come. So this is what it looks like in the bag. A bit of padding behind it and a little instruction manual inside. So let's take it out of the bag, shall we? So I've taken it out of this little bit of cardboard packaging and this is what it looks like. It's a plug-in device, fairly straightforward, and a little switch at the top. And it's got 3 light modes to tell you various aspects that are within the instruction manual here. So you've got a light use and a medium and a heavy use that emits this high-pitched noise. So let's go and plug it in, shall we, first of all? So I've plugged it in and I'm going to switch it on now. So we've got these lights at the top, and the green one intermittently flashes. If I press the button at the top again, there it changes to the blue light that intermittently goes on and off, and then that red one. I don't know if you can hear the red one. It's a high-pitched noise, I can hear that. I can't hear the green one. Don't think I can hear the blue one, but I can certainly hear the red one. So this device, I've not used it yet, so really this is just an unboxing and the initial thoughts on how it looks. It doesn't look too bad. The actual box it came in feels a little bit thin and tacky, but it's just transportation stuff. That feels fairly good quality. As you can see there, they've got the 3 modes, and I'm going to take it that the red mode that we can hear is a stronger mode to try and get rid of pests like rats and mice, and apparently it also gets rid of insects like spiders and things. Now, it only works in one room, doesn't go through walls, and it can take 2-3 weeks apparently to work, so we'll see, because we've got rats outside the house under the shed, and they keep coming back because the next door neighbour keeps feeding the birds with bird food. So it's a bit of a nuisance, but we wanted a humane way of trying to get the rats to go, rather than use nasty poisons and various other methods of traps. So I'll report back and let you know if it works. But in the meantime, it doesn't look too bad. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down. Look out for my next video. Please subscribe. See you later.